Are you still confused what you should need to do? This is a super simple copy paste work and you can do it. In this video I want to share how will you get paid $300 per day. Just copy and paste free make money online. This is website is called www. Hey, this is make money online and I upload my video in every single to teach you how to make money online. If you are a first time in my channel and did not subscribe, please subscribe the channel and click the bell button to get all type of notifications from this YouTube channel. So I like to share about my previous channel. This is called Learning and Earning Jeep. I really request to subscribe the channel to get all types of notifications about learning and earning related videos. And if you are new wanna make money online, just like this and keep watching. And also if you appreciate my videos, smash the like button and share more and more with your friends. So let's get started. All right. This is my first website. I think you know about Pixelscom. This is very amazing and pretty cool website, you know, and you can select any types of free image or footage or any types of videos to upload on your YouTube channel. So just it's called the copy paste work. I think without making any types of videos for your YouTube channel, or on the other hand on your YouTube platform, you can use copyright free footage or videos to upload on your YouTube channel for earning extra cash from the best video streaming site, I think YouTube.com. So don't hesitate to start your earning from online. Just keep watching this video step by step, and I upload this video more and more on my YouTube channel. So what should you do after coming here? If you search on this website, just make money online, you will get this 2.19 thousand photos and videos are also available here. You are watching, and as you can see here, and you can collect any types of videos or footage from this website. On the other hand, I would like to share another one. This is called Pixelscom. Pixelscom is another one. You can also collect any types of video or footage for royalty free. So you have to know how to collect this one and how to use these videos or footages from this website to upload on your YouTube channel. So first of all, I would like to share another criteria about Pixelscom. What is allowed? All photos and videos on Pixels are free to use. Just number one, which is very amazing and pretty cool, to use any types of photos from here or any types of videos from here. Number two, attribution is not required. Giving credit to photographer or Pixels is not necessary but always appreciated. Mind it, if you want to give the credit of that photographer, this is the best strategy to ensure you are using copyright free footage or videos from this Pixelscom. Number three, you can modify the photos and videos from Pixels. Be creative and edit them as you like here. So this is another amazing creative style to use your photos or images or videos from this Pixelscom. So I cordially request to use this Pixelscom or Pixelscom. Now how will you use this one? If I come to this Pixelscom first interface and just click on this video, and 187 videos are available and users are 768 or are on this platform here. Just click on this videos whatever you like, or as you can see here. So just click on this, and before starting this you have to create an account on this platform, providing all types of information and just displaying, and you will watch this one to use or before using on your YouTube platform. So after coming here, you have to select this one, original quad HD, full HD. Just select this one, and this is the format for your YouTube channel. So you have to select this one, just free download from here. So this is the best strategy, and it is saying that yeah, I have to complete the sign up or complete the creating account on this platform, and this is downloading. And after downloading of this choiceable video, or as you can see here, or whatever you like, you have to upload that video on your YouTube channel. So this is the first strategy to collect any types of videos or footage from this Pixelscom. On the other hand, you can also use this Pixelscom before after creating the account on this platform here. So in this video, I want to share another tips and tricks which is very important for you to use or earning extra cash by using your YouTube channel. Now I would like to share another one. YouTube is called the best video streaming site nowadays. Most of the people are earning, or professionals or non-professionals are earning by ensuring their monetization on this video streaming website. I think www.youtube.com. and you know that YouTube there are 500 hours videos are uploading on that video streaming website, I think youtube.com. so you can use this platform freely for ensuring your extra cash from your home. If I search on about this free stock photo, there are lots of channels about this one, and they have used their free footage and videos from Pixabay or from Pixels.com. If I search on this here, and I will watch this one and come to this all types of channels, you will look or you will see or watch at a glance here free stock video for YouTube. There are lots of channels, and they are earning more and more by using this strategy. And I would like to share another tips and tricks. This is called a Socialblade.com. This website shows the total statistics about any types of YouTube channels, and you can see this channel name is TateGambo, and the statistics of that channel, if you are scrolling down, the date of this 26th June 2020, and this channel has uploaded this video, and he has earned only 14 to $226 here, and he has also uploaded many more videos from there from the Pixels.com, and you are watching the about this channel also. So you can use this Socialblade.com to know various types of YouTube channels total statistics. So now I would like to share another things. If I click on this top 100 free stock video, and you will see or look over at a glance, there are lots of YouTube channels on that platform here. If you click on this here, and I would like to play this website videos, and this is called top 100 free stock videos 4K reviews and download in Pixabay. So this is the 100% royalty free videos this channel is using. So these views are, you are watching this one, and these are the total descriptions on this description box here. So what you will do after creating an account. If you are a newbie, I cordially request to watch my all types of videos, and I have uploaded how will you create a new brand new account, I mean YouTube channel, and step by step. If you watch that videos, you can create an account, and I have uploaded how you will create a logo easily just for free, and how will you create this channel art for your eye-catchy or authentic or unique YouTube YouTube channel, just you have to follow that video from my YouTube channel. So after creating your YouTube channel, you have to click on this upload option here. Just click on this here and just select the file, follow the files, download which you have downloaded from Pixel or Pixelscom. You can choose your video for uploading on your YouTube channel. That's it. This is the main work, I think. So don't hesitate to start your earning from online by following this strategy step by step. I cordially request to watch all types of videos from my YouTube channel to start your journey as a newbie to create a new account on your platform, I think on YouTube.com platform. Now I'd like to share another strategy. How will you earn more and more by creating a brand new account or a new channel? If you come to this Socialbladecom, this is the professional place. You can earn more and more by creating an affiliate program. Just you have to follow step by step. And if you come to this one, join the Shutterstock affiliate program and earn up to $300 per new customer purchase. So this is the amazing way and pretty cool, easy way, I think, for you. If you have a YouTube channel and you also use this program, I mean affiliate program from this Shutterstock.com, you can use any types of footage or videos and just provide the link on your video description box. I think your YouTube video description box, you have to provide the links on affiliate program from this Shutterstock.com. So that's boom, you can use this more and more for ensuring extra cash by using your YouTube channel. So this is the best strategy, I think. First of all, you have to mind it. If you don't have any previous knowledges or experiences or skills, or if you don't have any capability to create any channel, I could really request to watch all types of videos from my YouTube channel and also click and also watch the videos which I have uploaded. How will you create your account on YouTube, or how will you create account on YouTube platform, and how will you customize your channel at a glance. And then if you upload daily videos from collecting from any types of footage or videos from Pixelsbase or Pixels.com, that's it. This is the best strategy. And if you can increase your YouTube channel, and also you can start your affiliate programming for providing all types of links from Shutterstock.com. So never hesitate, never spend any time, just start without any types of hesitation. I strongly recommend you to watch this video again and again from this channel. And if you appreciate my videos, I could really request to subscribe if you don't subscribe before, and also if you subscribe the channel, thank you so much from the core of my heart, and click the bell buttons to get all types of notifications from this YouTube channel, and like, share more and more this channel, make money online, and also learning and earning tube. So thanks for watching this video. I could really request to watch my next video. Till then, take care.